Alright guys, you are welcome back again. Where we stopped yesterday was I told you guys that I'm gonna show you the tools that we are going to be using to do our web design training. So like um like it is always has been, one of the tool is Google. Alright. Google is very very important. In fact, you use Google to search for things, maybe get ideas, maybe get the designs and so on and so forth. Okay, so Google is a very very powerful tool. It's very very important, very 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 powerful. Right, so don't neglect Google. There are many things that we'll be using Google to do in this web design training. All right, okay. So the next tool is we are going to be making use of another tool, which is Unsplash.com. All right, if you just go to your system, type Unsplash.com. All right, so you will get, as you can see, you enter into the website. So this is the website. So what this site basically do is that it provides you with free pictures, quality pictures that you can use to you know do many things. You can use it for your web design, you can even use it for your graphic design. All right, so on Splash it provides unlimited pictures for any kind of or for any concept or for any designing. All right, so for example, if I want to design maybe a company website, I can just type maybe um, company profile, anything at all. Right, so Unsplash is very very powerful tool that I recommend, and we're also gonna use it to run this particular program. All right, so the next tool we are going to use is we are going to use pixels.com. All right, you can just hop into your browser and type pixels.com, and it will open. So this is it. So Pixel is another tool that is um, is used to get pictures. As you can see, it is one of the best free stock photos and videos. So the amazing thing about this Pixel is that it does not just give you only photos or pictures. All right, so it provides videos for some of us that are into video editing. If you go to videos, you maybe, for example, you want to maybe do a video about social media, right? So you can just type or click on social media, right? You can click on social media and you can start seeing different videos on social media, right? So Pixels is also very powerful tool we are going to use. All right, okay. So one of the next tool is we are going to be making use of YouTube. Some of us think that YouTube is the only place you just go to watch movies. All right, no, it's not. It's not. In fact, YouTube is one of the best information websites we have so far, right? Because remember that information is not just through writing. Information is not disseminated through writing alone. Information is disseminated also through pictures, but the best is videos. All right, because if you are watching this video now, you not tell me that you are not getting more informed than reading it in maybe in a website or seeing the pictures that shows how to design a website. All right, so in YouTube you can get almost anything for free. All right, I mean, there are some certain information that are provided in YouTube. It is provided for you, for your use, for your consumption, and for your benefit. All right, so we are going to be making use of YouTube also. All right, so this is one of the tools we are going to be using in our web design training. Okay, so the next tool we are going to be using is we are going to be making use of a software. All right, this software is very important. The name of the software is um, Micromedia Fireworks. All right, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you the software. All right, I will send you the software in the class section, so that you can download it and install it directly to your system. But let me just show you how the software looks like. So this is the software. This is it, just Micromedia Fireworks. So you can get version 8 of it. All right, so what this one basically do is that it helps you to to resize the shape of a picture and also to give it a particular resolution and also the particular size, and I mean size in kilobyte or in megabyte. All right, so this software is very important. I'm going to be making use of it. All right, so remember, this is web designing. I would have said that we'll just have a little touch of you know other software, but I just want to make this thing to be very simple. Do you understand? Like I said before, everything we are doing here is going to be very simple. There is no we are not going to make it to be very complex or to have any issue. So these are the tools for now. All right, there are other tools that we are going to make use of, but these are the basic tools. We are going to make use of Google is very important for information. On Splash, we are going to make use of it for pictures. We are also going to make use of pixels.com for pictures, and we are going to make use of videos. YouTube. I may not necessarily go into YouTube to start searching for things, but I'm telling you, as a graphic designer, as a web designer, don't forget that um, when you get stuck, maybe maybe in a particular project or in a particular section in your web designing, you should not neglect, or you should not hesitate to dive into your YouTube and begin to search for solutions. All right, it's very important, very important. Okay, I would have told you this story, but because of time I will leave it. Maybe in our main class, in the when we start the practical, I will tell you the way that YouTube helped me and what you can achieve with it. All right, so Micromedia Fireworks is very important. Okay, so I'm going to end this video for now, then we'll continue with the next part of the video where I will show you guys um, the the essential ones in our web design listing training, which is our domain and hosting, because domain and hosting is very important in our web design you know projects. All right, so thank you very much, thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.